First of all, I would like to say to all of you, hello. Good morning to all of you, my dear friend. And welcome to all of you in today's GK class discussion. The best and the most important current affairs question of the day are:
Question number 1 is, Nord Stream 2, an export gas pipeline running from? Answer is, Nord Stream 2, an export gas pipeline running from Russia to Germany. Question number 2 is, the word Dickinsonia is sometimes mentioned in media in reference to? Answer is, the word Dickinsonia is sometimes mentioned in media in reference to the Earth's oldest animal. Question number 3 is, in which of the following states UT is Rani Jhansi Marine National Park located? Answer is, Rani Jhansi Marine National Park is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. Question number 4 is, what is an inclusive circular economy? Answer is, an inclusive circular economy is a model of production and consumption in which waste and resources are repurposed, reducing the need for new production, while considering social equity and environmental sustainability. Question number 5 is, NISAR is a joint Earth observing mission between? Answer is, NISAR is a joint Earth observing mission between the ISRO and NASA. Question number 6 is, Mission Subhagita is an initiative of? Answer is, Mission Subhagita is an initiative of Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change. Question number 7 is, who among the following is associated with 100 Poems of Kabir, a translation of Kabir's finest poems in English? Answer is, Rabindranath Tagore is associated with 100 Poems of Kabir, a translation of Kabir's finest poems in English. Question number 8 is, Kessler syndrome, sometimes seen in news, is associated with? Answer is, Kessler syndrome, sometimes seen in news, is associated with space junk.
Question number 9 is, what is amorphous ice and how is it different from crystalline ice? Answer is, amorphous ice is a solid state of water that has a disordered molecular structure and is formed at room temperature. Question number 10 is, what do you mean by macrosomia? Answer is, macrosomia is defined as a condition in which a baby is born with an excessive body weight.
अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है यह वीडियो तो आप मेरे चैनल को प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए।